Hi, I'm Rhett Harris.
And I'm Greg Lewis.
And we are the Parker Business Unit Managers for Relevant Industrial.
And we want to talk to you a little bit today about Parker instrumentation, tube fittings, and valves. Let's face it, a fitting's a fitting, but there are some things that set Parker apart. For example, their CPI fitting. CPI is their one ferrule design,
as opposed to the traditional two ferrule design. It's been around for over 60 years, Greg?
Over 60 years.
Yeah, it's been a long time. They work. Parkers will interchange with our competition.
And we guarantee that.
We can give you a letter in writing that they will interchange with our competition. So keep that in mind. There are reasons why we make this, because it has been around for a very long time. But what we would like to talk to you about a little more in depth is our single ferrule CPI fitting.
Yeah, CPI is Parker's single ferrule fitting. It has a one ferrule design that has a super case hardened ferrule in there. The single ferrule fitting is much better for vibration control, and the super case hardening process is much better for chemical resistance. There's reasons why people would choose one over the others. CPI, a lot simpler. One fitting, 3 ways to make it up. Only one of them works, but there's only 3 ways. A lot less parts to lose too. So one of the great things about both of these is they're both gaugeable.
Yep. Our gauge, which you can see here, is 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4, all in one easy tool.
This gauge is a no-go gauge. So if you assemble it properly the first time around, it will not go between the nut and the shoulder of the fitting. These are great for inspecting a unit before you pressure it up and to make sure that you've done it right.
Yep.
Both of these fittings are great up to 10,000 pounds. You need a higher pressure. We also offer the autoclave line with fittings and valves up to 150,000 pounds.
Additionally, Parker offers a unique technology called FastTite, which we have done a video on and you can find here on our site. FastTite is a permanent weldless metal-to-metal connection. It is faster than welding, it's safer than welding, and in applications where maybe you are welding fittings, or possibly you have a number of fittings that you have no intention of ever unmaking, this is the way to go.
Yeah, they're great because they're also tamper-proof.
Yes. Good point, Greg. We have tools available for rent or sale. Reach out to us. Let us come out and do a demo. I think you will be duly impressed with what you see.
Parker also offers a full line of instrumentation valves, from needle valves, check valves, ball valves, and relief valves.
And let's face it, these are MRO products. And they work. They've been there forever. We all know how to use them. What we will tell you is that we have millions of dollars worth of inventory across Texas, Oklahoma, and New Mexico in strategic locations. So it's on the shelf for you when and where you need it.
In addition to that, we have over 40 sales professionals under that same footprint, including Kansas and parts of Arkansas, that are ready to come out and help you with your system. Don't only think about this as inventory at our locations. Think about vendor managed inventory, which is a program we've piloted and done very well with. We can make sure you have what you need at your site when you need it.
We also have an entire fleet of trailers that can be used on remote locations or on the other side of the plant if you're in the middle of a shutdown or a turnaround, to help improve your productivity. We can load these with not only Parker valves and fittings and material, but gauges, tubing, punched angle, whatever that you need on that trailer to be on site to make you more efficient and optimize your use of time.
Yeah, because there's nothing worse than needing a part in the middle of the night and having to send somebody to town for the next day when you're out on a remote site.
Amen.
Please check out our e-commerce site. A lot of this is available there.
ShopRelevant.com.
And check out our website at relevantsolutions.com. Feel free to reach out to any one of our 40 sales representatives across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, and New Mexico.
Thank you. Have a great day.